This was meant to be a new start, really. A perfect world. Free from all the evil that had corrupted each and every corner of the known and unknown universe. It was going to be a place of safety for the kids, the little...
My God, what have I done? Stop it, Edward. Breathe. It's okay. Maxis! See, now this isn't so bad. No, really, I mean it. Just as Max has promised.
Your demise is imminent.
Honestly, this shadow really does like to show off. Isn't good. We won't know for sure until the autopsy.
Hey! Other soldiers! Identify yourselves!
Stalingrad, or some twisted echo of what it should have been. I believe we will restore order to this chaos. Nothing should be overlooked. Even the tiniest...
My perseverance.
Power restored. Systems operational. Access.
Another voice. Female. German. What is this strange machine?
I am Strategic Operations Planning Heuristic Intelligence Analyzer. Sophia, you are Dr. Maxis. Security codes are required for further interaction.
What is the truth?
密航者どもをデッキへ上げろ。恥さらしめが日本を裏切り陛下にあだなすとは。
Take it easy, Tack.
Field report. After a slight diversion out on the ocean, I've arrived on site at the Japanese facility. Time to see what horrors Division 9 have cooked up.
What have you spider fucks webbed up now?
Oh, I'm feeling something, all right. You have to do better than that. Gardening ain't really my thing. Red fingers, not green. I'm always curious to see what things do. I had a cat that can weigh. That was pretty spooky. Maybe I ought to put this back where it belongs.
Whoever you may be, do not know your true intentions, but make no mistake, I will not allow you to succeed. I have
Dr. Maxis.
Coffin, why do you always have to screw everything up? Oh yeah, it's hunting season. It'll take a few more hits to bring old Dempsey down.
Hey, you. I know I yelled at you real bad. I know I said some things I shouldn't have said.
You bear the mark. You are cursed. You must place your hand upon the stone.
I can hear you. Jeez, are you the one I saw in my dream?
You bear the mark. You are cursed. You must place your hand upon the stone.
I can hear you. Jeez, are you the one I saw in my
Toxic
dream?
chemical distribution unit?
What's wrong with your face? Key. There's a lock. There's a lock.
The journey has begun. We may yet return the world to its correct alignment. This is a room of secrets. Do you know what I speak? Here we go.